This video tutorial I will explain HTTP headers. HTTP headers are like messages that you and website send to each other when you communicate over the internet. Imagine you are sending a letter to your friend. There are two headers. The first one is request headers. The second one is response headers. First we will see request headers. When you send a letter, you write your return address and other details on the envelope. In the same way, when your computer asks a website for web page or information, the client computer includes some headers in the request to tell the website what the client computer needs or what the client computer can understand. For example, the client computer might say, I can read English and I want the latest news. The second one is response headers. When your friend receives your letter, they might write their address and some extra information on their reply. Similarly, when the website sends response back to your computer, it includes headers to provide details about what is inside. The website might say, here is the web page you asked for and it is in English. Cookies. We can think of cookies as little notes that you and your friend exchange to remember certain things. Websites use cookies to remember who you are. So when you visit again, they can say, oh, it's you, welcome back. Cookies help personalize your experience on the web. Security. Some headers are like security measures. They ensure that your communication is private and secure, like a secret code that only you and your friend can understand. These headers make sure that your data is protected when you send it to a website. In short, HTTP headers are like information tags that you and website use to understand each other better when you are surfing on the internet. They help ensure that the right information is sent and received. And HTTP headers play a crucial role in making the web work smoothly. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.